Oh, Ducati and the Porsche. So many classic cars today, man. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Today's video, Alan and I, we're gonna go somewhere near the airport road and then have a photo shoot. Just keeping my hands down again and again. It's like a fireplace. Oh, there's a Honda over there. Oh, a Cbr. That's pretty cool. Haven't seen one live ever. Alan should be somewhere over here. Not sure. Hi Macha. Macha, ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ದೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟು CBR RRR ನೋಡಿದ್ನೋ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಬಂತು. ಹಾಂ ನೋಡ್ದಾ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಂ ಬಾ ಹೋಣ. Look at the fog guys, what the hell? You can't see anything. Yellow background. Alright, we're gonna have some food and then we'll leave. Alright guys, we're leaving now. I'll just film the ride back a little bit. I'm really up close with the Porsche for the first time. This is pretty cool. A Ducati and the Porsche, same color by the way. How cool is that? Anna, MG road connection henge? Ah. Okay. Ah. Ah. Okay. Thanks Anna. Classic vehicles, man. Wow, I didn't notice that. That is pretty cool. Okay, that's a pretty cool car. Whoa, alright, nice. So many classic cars today, man. It's a good meetup, I guess. Oh, and classic bikes. car is pretty cool. Seems like some sort of exhibition meet. Oh, Christmas. Wow. Nice. Pretty lucky of me to see a very rare bike, the Cbr RRSP, and then my Ducati V4, of course, the 911 Carrera, these classic cars. Damn, that's pretty cool. Alright guys, had a pretty eventful morning. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.